Hello, it's your girl EJ the Travel Diva, and I'm here today at Beaches Negril in beautiful Negril, Jamaica. And today I'm going to give you an insider view, a peek, a tour of one of the beachfront concierge room at Beaches Negril. It's room 802. So come inside and let's take a look, and I'm going to show you what this room has to offer. So come on with me and let's take a look. Okay, so this is room 803 at Beaches Negril, and as you can see, the room has been cleaned and it is sealed, showing that no one has been in since the room has been cleaned. So we're going to enter the room. Room 803 is a pretty small room, very little walking around room, two very comfortable double beds located high off the ground where you can store your luggage underneath. The bathroom consists of one sink with plenty of fabulous amenities for your enjoyment, including hand sanitizer and wipes, and plenty of towels. Plenty of towels located inside the bathroom as well, which is separated from the sink area. There is a bathtub with a step-in shower that's located behind the door of the bathroom. This room has a connecting door that can be booked with another room should you need two rooms that connect. This room has plenty of information located for you and sweet treats. It also comes with more amenities in the room, like an ice bucket, glasses for the different types of beverages, coffee maker and supplies, a microwave, and a refrigerator that I didn't show, along with a flat screen TV. Located out the patio doors is your outdoor seating area equipped with a wicker table and two chairs. And if you lean over and look out from the corner, you have your beachfront view. Located behind the door is your clothing rack for drying your water wear. Here's a quick view of the room from this angle.